Okay, so today we're going deep diving into natural skincare.
Sounds good.
We're talking specifically about Multani Mitti,
Mm.
and we've got some really cool information on simple, like DIY homemade face packs you can use with this stuff.
Yeah, this is going to be great for anyone looking for sort of like gentle ways to take care of their skin.
Yeah, exactly. So today we want to equip you with some recipes and also help you understand how this Multani Mitti can really benefit your skin.
For sure.
Okay, so first off, for anyone who might not be familiar, what exactly is Multani Mitti?
So Multani Mitti, it's like a natural clay and it's packed full of minerals and it's always been good at absorbing things. So it's good at pulling out like all the excess oil and other impurities from your skin.
That makes sense. So it's kind of like cleaning your skin out.
Yeah, and it's especially rich in things like magnesium and silica, which are really great for your skin.
Interesting. Okay, so we found this recipe, just like a basic recipe to kind of give your skin a boost.
Yeah.
You just need a tablespoon of Multani Mitti, a tablespoon of honey, and
Mhm.
then like a half tablespoon of lemon juice.
Yeah, mix all that up into a paste, put it on your face for like 20 minutes, a half hour, rinse it off,
Easy peasy.
and then you can moisturize with a little bit of milk cream.
Perfect. Yeah, that sounds nice and simple. And I imagine the honey is good for your skin, right?
The honey is a natural humectant.
Humectant.
Yeah, it basically means it'll help your skin hold on to moisture. And then that lemon juice, it'll do like a little bit of gentle exfoliation.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it'll brighten your skin up a bit too.
So what about for, people who are dealing with like sun damage,
Hmm.
like getting a tan or uneven skin
Oh,
tone?
yeah. So for that, we've got a blend here: 1 tablespoon of milk tea,
Milk tea. Okay.
half a tablespoon of tomato juice, a quarter tablespoon of lemon juice, and then 2 teaspoons of honey.
Well, that's a lot of stuff.
And then you just add enough milk to make it into like a nice thick paste.
Yeah.
You gently massage it into your skin, like in circular motions. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse it off.
Interesting.
And they even suggest using a little bit of coconut oil afterwards to moisturize.
Oh, that's interesting. I've never thought about putting like tomato juice on my face.
It's got things in it that can really help brighten your skin.
Okay. And what about the milk tea? Does that do anything?
Yeah, it can provide some antioxidant properties.
Nice. And that massage you were talking about, does that do anything?
Yeah, it's going to help boost circulation, which helps reduce that unevenness in your skin tone.
Interesting. Okay. So we've talked about all around skin health. We've talked about sun damage. What about pimples and acne?
Oh, yeah. This is a good one for that 1 tablespoon of milk tea again.
Okay.
Quarter tablespoon each of turmeric and neem powder, 1 tablespoon of water, a half tablespoon of milk, and just a few drops of lemon juice.
Okay. So we're really mixing it up here.
Apply that to your face and neck, leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then you just wipe it off gently with some lukewarm water.
So this one's really targeting those breakouts, huh?
Exactly. It's got the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities of turmeric and neem.
Ah, yeah.
So,
Those are both good for your skin.
yeah, they've been used in skincare for a really long time. Soothing irritated skin, fighting those breakouts.
Nice. And that sounds like a really soothing mixture, like all those ingredients together.
Definitely.
Okay, so with all these treatments we've been talking about, how often should people be using them?
So it seems like about twice a week is a good amount, to really start seeing some changes over time.
Makes sense.
You got to be patient with skincare.
Yeah, no quick fixes, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so just to kind of wrap things up, the main takeaway here is that Multani Mitti is like a natural and accessible way to deal with a bunch of different skin problems, without using those harsh chemicals.
That's right. And these DIY recipes, they give you a way to be more involved in your own skincare, using stuff that you probably already have in your house.
I like that. So thinking about how versatile Multani Mitti is, and how you can use it for all these different treatments, makes you wonder what other parts of your self-care routine could benefit from this kind of approach.
Yeah, it's interesting to think about, moving beyond the conventional products that we're all used to.
Definitely something to think about. So thanks for taking this deep dive with us.
Of course, it's been fun.
Yeah, this was great.